I love entertaining friends and family. When I start thinking of what to prepare or how to decorate, it sometimes gets overwhelming. There are so many options. When you start looking for ideas, even a holiday that you think already has a theme still has thousands of possibilities. And I entertain a lot, so the last thing I want people to say is that they know exactly what to expect or that it's the same food all the time. When I'm planning, I use a theme for a party to help me narrow things down. If I'm planning a cocktail party with finger foods, a whole roast chicken is not going to fit into what I'm trying to do. But if I come across a great gazpacho recipe, that would work for a summer cocktail party. These are the little things that guide me when planning and help me to make sure that I'm executing what I really want. I find inspiration for themes all around me. I think of party themes while out shopping. Sometimes I get inspiration from the trends of the time. And I've traveled to India a couple of times and want to share those experiences with my friends. So what did I do? I had a party with an Indian theme and had a henna artist come over and serve some of my favorite Indian dishes. Tandoori chicken, palak paneer, and mango lassi. A yummy mango and yogurt drink. A really fun Christmas party theme I've had before is a cowboy Christmas, where I encouraged everyone to dress like cowboys and girls, and there was cowboy caviar served with tortilla chips and pulled pork sliders, and of course, country music. When you're brainstorming about a theme, consider the time of the year, the season, and what vibes you're looking for this particular event. Consider if there's something special going on in your area. Are there traditional things like black-eyed Susans for Preakness weekend? Picking a theme that is in season and popular at the time makes it easier to find whatever decorations and whatever else you may need for the party. And your theme can be as cliche or as unique as you want it to be. There are no rules. It's just a reflection of who you are and how you're feeling at the time. So this quick bite is to let you know that the point of a theme is not just to keep your guests entertained, but it's also a great way to keep you and your party focused. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.